ऑसम। नमस्कार, सत श्री अकाल, आदाब। अनलर्न लाइफ टॉक्स के चौथे एपिसोड में आप सबका स्वागत है। मैं हूं प्रीति, आपकी लाइफ कोच, और आज आई हूं एक और रोचक टॉपिक के साथ, विक्टिम मोड से क्रिएटर मोड तक। और इस परिचर्चा पर मेरा साथ देंगी परनीत, जो कि एक सेलिब्रिटी हैं, एन एनएलपी सर्टिफाइड रिलेशनशिप कोच, पब्लिक स्पीकर, एक्टर, आरजे। बहुत बहुत स्वागत है परनीत आपका।
थैंक यू सो मच प्रीति, इतनी बड़ी आपने इंट्रोडक्शन दी है मेरी। मैं खुद
इतना तो बनता
सरप्राइज्ड
है।
हूँ।
मैं एक्चुअली देख रही थी क्या क्या बोल सकती हूँ। द मोर वी
No,
कैन फ्लैटर यू, इट इज
no.
लेस।
Thank you so much. I think thank you for having me. It's such a pleasure. और बड़ी देर से मैं वेट कर रही थी कि हाँ हम भी बैठ के बात करेंगे. And the topic you have chosen is absolutely amazing. Really good topic for today.
यस, एंड आई एम सो एक्साइटेड। तो शुरू करते हैं परनीत। बहुत भारी भरकम वर्ड्स हैं ये ना, विक्टिम मोड, क्रिएटर मोड। तो एक्सप्लेन करते चलते हैं, कैसे क्या होता है विक्टिम मोड।
See, victim mode, as you just said, कि victim mode छोटा सा वर्ड है, राइट? एंड देन क्रिएटर मोड्स एंड एवरीथिंग. कहीं ना कहीं मुझे लगता है कि वी ऑल हैव बीन थ्रू द विक्टिम मोड्स, बट समवेयर वी हैव रियलाइज्ड कि हाँ भाई, ये you look around you and you're thinking, oh, I am in a victim mode. But not everybody realize
राइट।
that they are in victim mode. So it's very simple. I think जब समझ में आ जाता है, then you think like, oh god, that was very simple.
राइट।
But जब तक समझ में नहीं आता, you just don't realize it. That you are in victim mode. So when we meet around, like when you go around and you see your friends or family सब बैठ के बात कर रहे होते हैं, तो यही लगता है कि what, ये कितना victim mode में बोल रहा है, ये इस mode में बोल रहा है, because now you started understanding that. And I think that's where it is to understand, where the coach comes in to help you. But simple example I always find to understand in victim mode is basically कि जैसे तुम गाड़ी में बैठे हो, पिछली सीट पे बैठे हो. The driver is driving and you keep on saying ये सही नहीं चला रहा, ये तेज चला रहा है या स्लो चला रहा है, पहले कट ले लिया, इधर नहीं लेना था, all that complaining you're doing. But तुम ये नहीं सोचे कि मैं आगे जाके चला लेता हूँ.
खुद ही
जब
चला लो
तुम
ना
लोग,
फिर।
हाँ, खुद ही चला लो. So that is where I think the victim mode is, that you always end up complaining when you're sitting at the back. So if you think कि आगे जाके मैं खुद चला लेता हूँ, that's when you get into a creator mode. So for me, and until unless you keep on complaining कि अच्छा, अगर उसमें लाइफ में लेके, अच्छा लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम्स आ रही हैं, लाइफ में लोग हैं, सिचुएशंस हैं, काम है, फैमिली है, whatever it is, we are complaining and complaining and complaining, but we don't think कि किस तरह से वो सही हो सकता है. So that's a basic simple example to understand कि अगर आप ये कर रहे हो ना, तो आप victim mode में हो. It's not
तो
a blaming thing, because a lot of people get offended of thinking it's nothing to blame. It's good to understand
या इट इज
कि किस मोड में.
इम्पोर्टेंट। हाँ, आप आइडेंटिफाई करो खुद, खुद के बारे में और अपने परिवार के सदस्यों के बारे में भी। अगर हम ये आइडेंटिफाई कर पाए कि ये शायद विक्टिम मोड, सो सिंप्लीफाई करने के लिए, अगर कोई इंसान बहुत ज्यादा सबको ब्लेम करता है, किसी चीज की खुद रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं लेता है, बहुत कंप्लेन करता है, ये सब विक्टिम मोड में होने के सिम्टम्स हैं, कहना
Yeah.
चाहिए। तो अब अगर हम विक्टिम मोड में हैं, तो क्या ऐसा क्या होता है किसी इंसान के साथ कि वो विक्टिम मोड में फंस जाता है?
See, victim mode में बहुत easy है. बहुत ही ईजी है विक्टिम मोड में फंसना. और ज्यादातर लोग, अगेन एज आई सेड, कि ज्यादातर लोग विक्टिम मोड में ही फंसे होते हैं. एंड वी जस्ट
हाँ।
थिंक, एंड वी हैव बीन बाय डिफॉल्ट, वी हैव बीन taught to understand that and feel that कि what, लाइफ तो ऐसी ही है.
हम्म।
तो अगर जैसे मैंने गाड़ी का एग्जांपल दिया, तो आप ऑफिस के लिए निकल रहे हैं, रोज आप एक सड़क से जाते हैं और रोज सड़क टूटी हुई है, उसमें खड्डे हैं.
हम्म।
पहले दिन आप जा रहे हो तो आपको एकदम लगेगा कि ओह, सड़क टूटी हुई है. दूसरे दिन you'll be okay, yeah, third day, fourth day, हफ्ते बाद you'll used to that कि ये तो सड़क रास्ते में टूटी हुई आती है. Then you
राइट।
don't think about it. It becomes your pattern कि हाँ,
हम्म।
लाइफ जो है ना वो ऐसी ही है, ऐसी ही चलती है. सबने बोला है, सब बोलते हैं, फिल्मों में देखते हैं, घर में सुनते हैं, सब बोलते हैं कि लाइफ में ऐसी प्रॉब्लम्स आती है. भाई इसी का नाम जिंदगी है.
हाँ।
This is what we have been given, the dialogues, and we repeat them. But अगर वही रास्ता अगर आप कोई और चूज कर लो, या थोड़ा लेफ्ट ले लो, थोड़ा राइट ले लो, and
हम्म।
the things can change. But we don't think that way. We always just keep on thinking कि हाँ भाई, ये इसी का नाम जिंदगी है, ये टूटी सड़क तो आती ही है, इसी से ही जाना पड़ेगा. So I think that is where we get stuck into it and we think that's normal life. And
हम्म।
उसको avoid भी किया जा सकता है.
हम्म।
If you want to, first of all, वही आता है पहले कि अगर आप करना चाह रहे हो.
तो विलिंगनेस।
समझ में आना, I think most
हाँ।
important thing here is, as when you see, we talk to clients or things, that it's to accept that you are in a victim mode. मेरे को लगता है
राइट।
सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम यही है कि हम एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं करते हैं कि हम विक्टिम मोड में चल रहे हैं. मैं तो सही हूँ, मैं तो सब सही कर रहा हूँ,
हाँ,
ऐसी
सही बात।
लाइफ है, मेरे साथ ही प्रॉब्लम्स होती है, मेरे साथ ही ये सब हो रहा है, मेरे ही ऑफिस में है, मेरे घर पे भी, मेरा ये भी, ट्रैफिक भी, ये वो, बस
जहाँ आप
अंडरस्टैंडिंग एंड एक्सेप्टिंग इज द
सबको
मोस्ट.
ब्लेम कर रहे हो खुद को छोड़कर, तो आप
हाँ,
विक्टिम मोड में हो।
हाँ, क्योंकि मैं तो कुछ गलत कर नहीं रहा ना, सड़क टूटी हुई है, उसमें मेरी क्या प्रॉब्लम है, मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ, राइट?
हाँ।
मैं उसमें क्या करूँ, बस सड़क, सरकार सड़क नहीं बनाती है और टूटी हुई है, और उसमें मैं क्या करूँ. भाई रास्ता
और
दूसरा ले लो, यही वो कर
हाँ,
सकते हो.
हाँ, तो वो एक्शन लेने की जो टेंडेंसी है वो मिसिंग है समवेयर, क्योंकि आपको लगता ही नहीं है कि आपकी ज़िम्मेवारी है। आपने सोचा है कि भाई वो तो सरकार की ज़िम्मेवारी है या म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन की ज़िम्मेवारी है, जिसकी भी है, बस मेरी नहीं है। सो एज़ लॉन्ग एज़ हम उस मेंटालिटी से काम करेंगे तो हम विक्टिम मोड में फँसे रहेंगे। तो विक्टिम मोड में अगर कोई इंसान है तो हाउ डज़ इट अफेक्ट रिलेशनशिप्स परनीत? For people in his family, in his or her.
सी
How?
रिलेशनशिप्स वो है कि जैसे बोलते हैं कि एक हाथ से ताली नहीं बजती है, सो
Hmm.
रिलेशनशिप्स आर ऑलवेज बोथ साइड्स, कि
Right.
दोनों को हैव टू वर्क टुगेदर ऑन दैट. और अगर एक भी सही नहीं है ऑन द थिंग, बट इवन देन आई वुड से कि अगर एक भी इंसान दोनों में से अंडरस्टैंड
Hmm.
कर ले कि ओके मैं विक्टिम मोड में हूँ एंड आई नीड टू चेंज दिस, दैट विल चेंज अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स इन द रिलेशनशिप. बट अगर
Right.
दोनों ही विक्टिम में चल रहे हैं और दोनों ही एक दूसरे को, तुम ऐसे नहीं
Blame
करते,
कर रहा
तुम ऐसे नहीं करते, तुम बदल जाओ सब सही हो जाएगा, तुम बदल जाओ सब सही हो जाएगा, और वो, then you are not going, you are in that vicious circle of just being a victim. मैं बेचारी, वो बोले मैं बेचारा, बट दोनों बेचारे ही बेचते जा रहे हैं. बट आई थिंक दैट्स व्हेन इट मेक्स अ डिफरेंस इन द रिलेशनशिप. अगर एक भी रियलाइज करना शुरू कर दे कि okay, you know what, I think we need to change,
हूँ।
then there will be a lot of change in relationships. That will
राइट।
help in improving. अगर एक अंडरस्टैंड कर रहा है कि भाई ये this person is behaving like that, what can I do to help?
हुँ।
It's always just like to we have to step back and think. Usually you will see कि we women complain about husbands कि अच्छा husbands ये नहीं करते हैं, वो ये नहीं करते, whatever problem. But you just have to sometimes step back and think where he is coming from, because
हुँ।
men and women both see things very differently. जो
डिफरेंटली।
चीजें हम बारीकी से देख लेते हैं as a woman,
हुँ।
men can't see that.
उनको कोई फ़र्क ही नहीं पड़ता उन चीज़ों से, राइट?
हाँ, क्योंकि और जो चीजें वो देखते हैं, हम ये सोचते हैं, क्या ये भी कोई बात है करने
हाँ,
वाली.
एग्ज़ैक्टली राइट।
So
हाँ।
because we are seeing things in such a different zone and a different things, हम एक कमरे में एंटर करते ही ना, we can see a lot of things, but for them they just have that one vision of doing things. So once you start understanding कि भाई ये इनके बस की बात नहीं है, So don't even go. You're like, if you tell them three things and they will only listen to the first one. And we can listen to everything what's happening sitting at one place, but that's just normal. It's not that they are not doing it, because you start thinking कि हाँ मैं कर सकती हूँ तो ये क्यों नहीं कर
ये
सकता.
भी कर सकते हैं, राइट.
So you have to come out of that and think, you know what, no, जो मैं कर सकती हूँ वो मैं कर सकती हूँ, जो वो कर सकता है वो कर सकता है. If you want to make your life easy, that is, I think, is the only thing you can do in relationships more.
तो मुझे ऐसा समझ में आ रहा है, जैसे आप बता रहे हो कि विक्टिम मोड में अगर कोई है, तो जैसे 2-3 बार हमने ये डिस्कस कर लिया कि पहचानना ज़रूरी है कि मैं हूँ या कोई मेरा परिवार का सदस्य है। तो वो आइडेंटिफिकेशन इज़ की। नाउ एंड जैसे आपने बोला कि लोगों को लगता है बस मैं तो सही हूँ, मैं तो सब कुछ सही कर रहा हूँ, तो बाकी लोग हैं। तो क्या ऐसा हो सकता है कि विक्टिम मोड में इंसान डिनायल में रहेगा? और अगर डिनायल में है, यही लग रहा है कि डिनायल में है, तो इज़ विक्टिम मोड सर्विंग दैट पर्सन इन एनी वे?
See, victim mode is serving in a way, like I can say the example of that. जैसे, for example, if you think, um, हम किचन में कुकिंग कर रहे हैं, प्रेशर कुकर, राइट? सो
राइट.
प्रेशर कुकर की जब सीटी बजती है, सो व्हाट इज इट सेइंग कि प्रेशर अंदर बहुत ज्यादा हो गया, दैट इज व्हाई इट्स
इट्स
रिलीजिंग द प्रेशर. और सो यूजुअली व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इज, अगर उसको खोलना है तो उसका प्रेशर जो है वो रिलीज करना पड़ेगा.
हुँ, हुँ.
So I think then victim mode, I'd see it in that process is कि um, the victim mode in ourselves is like the pressure cooker सीटी. So जब हम victim mode में है ना, तो वो ये सोचो कि ये मेरे pressure cooker की सीटी बज रही है. So it's making you realize कि कहाँ पे कोई trauma है, कोई backlog है, कोई stress, anxiety, whatever it is, that is what it is coming out.
ओके.
So that is what, and then it's telling you कि भाई यहाँ पे healing की जरूरत है. So problem always comes जब हम कुकर को ना ऐसे ही बंद करके रखते हैं. अब जब तक उसका प्रेशर नहीं निकालेंगे वो खुलेगा नहीं. So victim mode in ourselves is like a pressure cooker सीटी की भी सीटी बज रही है, and is it's telling you कि there is what way you need to work on. And
इट्स
we
लाइक
normally we don't see that. हम उसको how should I put it कि हम उसको देखना नहीं चाहते, हम उसको एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं करना
नज़रअंदाज
चाहते.
कर रहे हैं। हाँ,
हाँ,
हाँ।
नजरअंदाज कर रहे हैं. या
तो उसमें क्या फ़ायदा है? लाइक हाउ डज़ इट सर्व अस?
so it is serving in, like, it can sometimes, but it's like warning, it's a warning sign again, as I said. So we
व्हाट
keep on,
नीड्स टू बी वर्क ऑन.
it needs to work on. So it's when you are in a victim mode, it is a warning sign for you, and it's telling you कि कार पे warning sign आ रही है, हम फिर भी चलाए जा रहे हैं, चलाए जा रहे हैं, चलाए जा रहे हैं कि ठीक है, आज के देखेंगे, कल देखेंगे, हो जाएगा, कुछ नहीं, इतना तो ज्यादा नहीं, अभी टाइम है. और like when your light comes on और पेट्रोल खत्म हो रहा है, तो अभी है इसमें, अभी है इसमें, अभी है इसमें, then suddenly you literally stop when you have nothing. So you
राइट.
don't want to reach to that. So this is where the victim mode is, when you are going through, um, like sometimes a pattern is repeating. मेरे साथ ही बुरा होता है और मेरे साथ हर जगह बुरा हो रहा है, घर पे भी हो रहा है, काम पे भी हो रहा है, फ्रेंड्स में भी हो रहा है, सब जगह पे सब मेरे को ही धोखा दे रहे हैं. It's sometimes then is where you need to understand कि okay, why is it happening to me only?
या.
Rather than getting into that zone कि भाई मेरे साथ ही हमेशा बुरा होता, मैं ही बेचारा हूँ. But you need to, that is a sign. You need to wake up and think कि भाई, you know what, now there is a time when you need to work on. And I think that's when you need a coach. If you're struggling to understand why is it happening, that's where you need a coach to guide you. Ki how you can work out, how you can simplify the things and understand.
वाओ! ये कार वाली एनालॉजी मुझे बहुत ही बढ़िया लग रही है. सो अगर कोई इंसान विक्टिम मोड से बाहर आता है, तो वो फिर रिलेशनशिप डायनामिक को कैसे अफेक्ट करता है?
See, if you come into the creator mode, more, and then it, of course, it helps your relationship so much. You start, as I said, you start understanding कि किस तरह से कोई इंसान कर रहा है और उसका रीज़न क्या है, एंड you just step back and think, when you say that when you are in a victim mode, you're thinking कि जो सब कुछ हो रहा है वो मेरे साथ हो रहा है, but actually creator mode is that it's happening for me. It's not happening to you, it's
टू मी।
happening for me, right? जो भी हो रहा है वो मेरे लिए हो रहा है और मुझे कुछ सीखना है इससे. What is there for me to learn from it? So once you start getting into a creative mode where you start creating and you start thinking, how can I make things better? Oh, I can take a different route to my work. मेरे को टूटी सड़क से नहीं जाना है.
राइट।
Then when you start seeing the other directions, that's when your relationships also start working. And not even at work, or it's family and with yourself. You will start seeing the most important change is that your relationship with yourself will get better. You will start understanding things from a very different perspective, different angle, and it will change the way you think.
राइट, ऑफ
So there
कोर्स।
is a huge change in it comes into you once you doing that, trying to be into a creative mode.
तो अगर हम एकदम लेमैन टर्म्स में बताना चाहें तो भगवान भरोसे बैठे रहना इज विक्टिम मोड, और अपने जीवन की डोर अपने हाथ में लेना, बी इन चार्ज ऑफ योर ओन लाइफ इज क्रिएटर मोड, राइट?
Yeah. In a very simpler term, yes. That's what it is, because we see when you say victim mode, ऐसा होता है कि if I give you another example would be जैसे you have a phone in your hand and it's on a low battery mode. So what are you feeling कि उस स्क्रीन को भी डल किया है,
डार्क कर दो।
ब्राइटनेस कम करो, ज्यादा
हाँ।
मत यूज करो,
हम्म।
and you are living in a constant anxiety कि ये बंद हो जाएगा.
बैकग्राउंड एप्स कैंसिल,
हाँ,
क्लोज कर दो।
सब कैंसिल करो, और ये है कि अच्छा खत्म ना हो जाए, खत्म ना हो जाए,
हाँ।
खत्म ना हो जाए,
हाँ,
बैटरी ना
बचा के
खत्म,
रखना है।
बचा के रखना है. So that is what you are living when you are living in a victim mode. So once you get into a creator mode, then you are like when you have a charger in your phone, then you आराम से बैठे use कर रहे हो. I can use whatever I use. Right? So that's when I think then the difference is how you feel. You can, we all know the phone analogy, using
Yes.
when it's low battery and it's charging, then you are
The
relaxed.
low battery is actually panic mode.
It's a panic mode, yeah.
हाँ,
And when your phone is on charge, you are relaxed to use it. कुछ भी use करो, YouTube देखो, whatever, like अब देख सकते हैं.
पॉडकास्ट सुन लो। हाँ, सही बात है।
हाँ. So there's a difference, but again, coming back to the same point is that most important thing is to realize that you are in a victim mode. And usme again, simple is like if you are complaining a lot, that means you are in a victim mode. If the repetitive patterns happening in your life of whatever is there, and same things happening with you, किसी ने पैसे ले लिए वापस नहीं किए, किसी ने तुम्हें तंग किया, somebody is really harassing you at
Of
work.
everything going wrong.
Everything is going wrong, life में सब कुछ गलत हो रहा है, and you have a problem. That's when you really सीटी बज रही है, so remember सीटी बज रही है. And that you need help. And that is where I think a lot of people sometimes just don't understand they need help. They do need help, and that's where the coach can help you really, to understand what your situation is, how to come out of it, and you will really, really see the difference.
And Parneet, is there a way in which, like, people listening to us, those who have joined us right now, or those who will be tuning into the recording, ki, like some tips that we can give if they find one of their family members functioning from victim mode, or they themselves recognize themselves doing that? So is there a way that they can help themselves or help their family members? What can be done?
Of course, I think there are a lot of ways to do. When you think, sometimes we think in family somebody has a problem, or partner, or whatever, you think, understanding that they are in that, and then you have to understand कि what problem hai, and how you can, first of all, you cannot force someone to change.
Right,
So
right.
again, the point comes here that it's the 100% responsibility you have to take it. जब तक हम खुद ये नहीं रियलाइज करेंगे कि मेरे को हेल्प चाहिए,
जरूरत है,
तो
हाँ।
हाँ, तो कोई भी आपको चेंज नहीं कर सकता. You can keep on telling the other person so many times this and that, they are not, until unless they खुद they realize what, I want to change. It has to come from within. You cannot ever coach anyone who doesn't want to be coached.
Post,
you know
right? Yeah, that's
yeah, so everybody who comes to us, it, and I know when people come to us, they have realized that there is a problem. And its problem is with everyone. There's nothing to be
right.
ashamed of. In our society, we don't talk about these things.
Hmm.
So you realize कि हाँ भाई problem है और मेरे को help चाहिए because I want to fix things. And there is
Yeah.
nothing to be ashamed of, nothing to be afraid of. And you will see, there's not something we can show. Once you've done it, you know it. I think maybe I would say, you would say, we have perfect examples ki the way I could see myself, what I've evolved from what I am.
Right.
If my cousin said to me one day, he said, when you were younger, you were very immature, which everybody is. And he said, now I see that there is a sea of a change in you, how it has become. And I was like, not something that I consciously was doing, but yeah, you want to learn, you're accepting a lot of things that, this needs to be changed and everything. And then,
Working upon yourself.
yeah, of course. And honestly speaking, the way people around you start changing. And you're thinking कि मैंने तो ये कुछ नहीं कहा किसी को, चेंज करने के लिए, बट लोगों का रवैया बहुत चेंज हो रहा है. So
क्योंकि
then
हमारा खुद का बदल गया.
हाँ, क्योंकि हमारा खुद का बदल गया. Exactly. We have not asked other people to change. We have changed
Right.
ourselves. And other people are changing, which is very surprising. I have so many surprising encounters, kind of a thing happened in family that people have started changing. I'm thinking, I really am surprised कि ये क्या हो रहा है, ऐसे कैसे कोई change हो रहा है. मैंने तो कुछ बोला ही नहीं किसी को.
पर यही तो इतना मजेदार है ना. It just makes life so exciting.
Exactly, it is. And then you start really, it's just जैसे कि different, portal नहीं कोई खुल जाता, you want to see. I'm thinking, God, मैं कहाँ जी रही थी? I have no idea.
हाँ.
So there is plenty of ways to change it in, like, but like, people sometimes don't understand ki what actually, a creator mode could be. So even if I give you another example, it's like कि creator mode is like जैसे कि टीवी पे बहुत सारे channels हैं.
Right.
Remote आपके हाथ में. That is a creator mode. और victim mode में आप remote किसी और को दे रहे हो. क्रिएटर अगर आप हो तो रिमोट आपके हाथ में है. आपने डिसाइड करना है कि मेरे को कौन सा चैनल देखना है,
कौन सा चैनल देखना है,
कितनी देर देखना है, वॉल्यूम कितनी है, नहीं है, वॉट एवर आई वॉन्ट टू डू. सो दैट इज वेयर you are in a creative mode because you have the control in your hand and consciously you're making your choices. So that is when you know that until unless you give control to other person, it is not going to change. But even the question like you asked is like, like we have garden. If you're in a garden and you go out in your garden, or हर किसी के garden में weeds start growing. Weeds are like problems in life, you can say, or any issues, whatever you name them. So अगर आप उसको नजरअंदाज करते रहोगे, then one day your garden will be full of weeds. Right. And you will not be able to control it. But if you are going there and every day picking two out, you will be in control of your garden. So right. If you control of your problems or your issues in your in your life, एक एक दो दो निकालते रहोगे और उसको, because that is like weeds are like कि वो पुरानी जो issues हैं, कोई traumas हैं, वो they keep on popping, they will keep on popping. Your garden cannot be weed free. Right, so they will keep on popping, but you have to keep that in
constantly keep working on it.
Yeah. So control आपके हाथ में है कि आप उसको निकालते रहोगे तो balance में चलता रहेगा. So that is why I think you have to be very aware of it. What you want to do, how you want to do. Like जैसे बोलते हैं ना कि वो रॉकिंग चेयर नहीं होती है जिसपे हम बैठ के रॉक करते हैं, सो दैट व्हेन यू सिट ऑन द चेयर वो रॉक कर रही है, वो कहीं जा नहीं रही है. So it's like complaining, and you're complaining is like you sitting on a rocking chair. It's keep on rocking, but हिलती है तो है पर आगे नहीं जाती है. So that is where when you are in a victim mode, you're sitting on a rocking chair. You just keep on rocking at the same place.
Mm.
It's not moving anywhere.
No progress.
Yeah.
A lot of movement, but zero progress.
It,
Okay, so Parneet, can you suggest like some daily rituals that can be followed to, stay in creator mode?
See, I can give you examples like the things I do, which has
Mhm.
really helped in there is we all talk
That
about
would be best.
meditation. We all talk about meditations and things, but उसको ना मेरे को लगता है कि लोगों ने बहुत ज़्यादा उसको
Correct.
कॉम्प्लिकेट किया हुआ है कि मेडिटेशन है, बड़ा क्या करना है, बैठना है, ध्यान देना है, and all those kind of thing. I don't take it that like that. But the moment is, even if you are sitting in the morning or you're sitting, in the evening with your cup of tea, just sit in silence and just
Hmm.
take a deep breath, even if it's 5 minutes, because you
Hmm.
need that quiet time from everything away, from your phone or your anything. Just sit in silence. If you're a morning person, then in the morning. If you're an evening person, in the evening. You don't have to get up at 4 o'clock. Like, I'm not a morning person. I can't get up early morning and do that.
Hmm.
But whenever you have a chance, just
Yeah.
sit there with your cup of tea or something and just be in nature. Enjoy the nature. We are getting so much away from nature, that is also affecting our health a lot.
That is
So
true.
just 5 minutes of deep breathing, just to realize, a lot of things, because हम लोग बैठते हैं, हम बैठ के काम करते हैं, most of us, we would put pressure on ourselves and things. So once you start breathing, it start helping. And then most important is watch what you speak. अपने
Wow.
मुंह से जो, I have one of my video I made is like the tongue, भगवान ने इसको 2 दरवाजे दिए हैं. हमारे
Oh.
दांत हैं, and then our lips.
Huh.
So that's why बोला 2 बार सोच के
Oh.
बोलो.
Oh,
So
wow.
it's just like before
Yeah.
you open those 2 gates, just think twice. That's why I just said, कई लोग तो बिना सोचे, खोलते रहते हैं. So that is
So
why it's a God's creation. He's put 2 gates before we open our
huh.
tongue, right?
Yeah.
And just putting into like कि why this is happening to me, मेरे साथ मेरे साथ मेरे साथ मेरे साथ, rather than that, just say like, what can I do to
Hmm.
change this?
Yeah.
Again, as we say, what we are repeating, we are getting that. So then the universe is creating those situations to put us in that situation, you know in there. So rather than, not that all the time, because it's not easy, so but start watching what you're saying. मैं हर हमेशा दुखी रहता हूँ, हमेशा दुखी रहता हूँ. So तो तुम दुखी हो रहोगे all the time.
वही
Start to,
गाना गा रहे हो हम.
हाँ, तुम फिर वही है ना कि वो एक, again, I was listening to someone and was like, do we listen to the lyrics of the song sometimes? Because we so used to listening those songs and we are repeating them. ये गाना कई बार दिमाग में अटक जाता है and we are repeating that.
Exactly.
like मेरे दिल के टुकड़े 1000 हुए, और दिन
हाँ
में
हाँ
वो
हाँ.
1000 बार हम 1000 टुकड़े कर चुके होते हैं उसके.
Right.
So
Right.
you really watch what you, be a
Say.
little bit aware of what you're speaking.
Hmm.
And then if everybody, not everybody is used to journaling, I think journaling really helps.
Hmm.
Start writing it down
Hmm.
more, and then
So like
letting go.
what down exactly, Parneet? The feelings that are bothering you, or an experience that traumatized you, or like venting out your anger on paper? What exactly does journaling mean for, in the interest of people watching?
So journaling, I basically always find is sort of like I use it as a self-analyzation thing. That
Okay.
if there is a situation that's happened to me and is bothering me, I'm going to write it down. And actually, I would really say that writing pen and paper is has a very different feeling. You know,
Mhm.
typing is different. You're working and thing, but once you start writing, it has a very different feeling. So write that situation down. क्या हुआ, कैसे हुआ, क्या बोला, मैंने बोला, उसने बोला, सब उसको लिख के, and then in the end, just question yourself. It made me
Hmm.
feel bad. Why?
Mhm.
क्या उसमें actually मेरे को बुरा लगा? Because you are the only one who can give that answer. Nobody can give you that answer for that, right?
Right.
Feeling जो है उसको लिखो कि ये मेरे को बुरा लगा, क्यों लगा? Really,
Hmm.
and be honest with yourself.
Right.
Don't lie with yourself. Be honest with yourself. And then once you like, अच्छा मेरे को ये बात बुरी लगी, and then उसके बाद मेरे को अच्छा ये लगी, ये क्यों लगी? And once you start doing those why and why and why, you will get the answer to that. The situation that's happened. कोई घर पे झगड़ा हुआ, husband के साथ हुआ, mother-in-law के साथ हुआ, whatever it is, write that down, and you will definitely get an answer.
Wow.
So I think that's where journaling, or then like if you have time and you want to do it, maybe make a separate gratitude journal. Start
Hmm.
writing what you're thankful of.
Hmm.
Aajkal, sometimes you ask people, कि list me 10 things you are grateful for. They cannot list.
That is true. 10 क्या 5 नहीं बता पा रहे लोग.
हाँ, very simple things कि हाँ धूप निकली है, हवा चल रही है, सांस ले रहे हैं, छत है घर पे, and these are things which we are taking so granted.
Yeah.
Imagine those people, like now in Punjab there is so much of floods and everything. Those people don't have roof, and we have a roof on top of our head,
That is so true.
which just makes you realize those things. We take it for granted.
For granted. Yeah.
So I think that's where I find that journaling really helps. Meditations, and what you're talking, those kind of things, nature walks, go out in nature more. That really
Right.
helps.
Yeah. Amazing. So we have a couple of pointers on rituals that can be followed: to sit in silence, to journal, to write down, to count your blessings, to spend some time in nature. And what else did you say? Meditation. For those
Yeah.
who can, great, great option. Those who cannot, not to worry. There are so many other things that you can do.
No, it is.
Yeah.
You see, meditation is not about that. Key, you need a meditation room. Even if you are sitting in, say, if you're stuck in traffic, you're
Hmm.
sitting there. Just you need to relax and be with yourself rather than कि वो उधर से वो बोल रहा है, वो कर रहा है. You're getting stressed out कि traffic है.
Hmm.
Traffic तो तभी निकलेगा जब उसको निकलना है. Your
Exactly.
frustration is not going to clear
Not
it.
going to,
So if you are
exactly.
even calm in that situation and you're giving yourself those 5 minutes to relax, again, meditation is all about connecting with yourself. There is no special rituals to form in there. A lot of people have complicated it, and I think it's just the simplest way is to connect with yourself. That's all meditation is for me.
That is so true. And Parneet, just one random question has popped up in my mind. What role does forgiveness have to play in victim mode, coming out of it to the creator mode and surviving?
See, forgiveness is like, you're walking around with a heavy bag.
Mm-hmm.
So तुम जहां भी जा रहे हो वो अपनी बोरी साथ लेके जा रहे हो.
Right.
As soon as you put that bori down, you will feel lighter. I'm
Mm-hmm.
not I'm not saying कि वो बोरी को भूल जाओ.
Mm-hmm.
वो उसका ध्यान रखो कि इसको
Right.
I have to empty this.
Hmm.
बट ये नहीं कि उस भारी भरकम बैग को हर जगह पे लेके जा रहे हो.
Exactly.
So that is, I think, is a different, easier analogy for forgiveness. So once you
Mm-hmm.
start forgiving, वो बोरी को आप नीचे रखोगे तो आपको ही better feel होगा. It's
Exactly.
it's it's very easier said than done. But
Mm-hmm.
yes, you can start by thinking, ki, is it serving me?
Hmm.
If it's not serving you, then it's not helping you. You just have to learn to slowly let it go.
Let go of it.
जो हो गया, वो हो गया. You
Mm-hmm.
cannot change that.
That is so true.
So just let go of that heavy bag, put it down for some time. You don't need it all the time. Easier.
So nicely, so beautifully explained, Parneet. Does anybody who has joined us, Kalpana and Pragya, do you have any questions regarding this? Because we have come to the end of our discussion, and I hope we have driven the point home. Victim mode क्या है, victim mode क्या है, creator mode क्या है, कैसे हम फंस जाते हैं, कैसे हम निकल सकते हैं.
आई डू नॉट हैव एनी क्वेश्चन, बट जो पंडित ने बोला कि जो हम लोग म्यूजिक सुनते हैं या सॉन्ग्स
हम्म.
के लिरिक्स सुनते हैं, हम लूप पे सुनते रहते हैं और
राइट.
रियलाइज नहीं करते कि वो सब हमारे सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में जा रहा है। और
हाँ.
लाइक म्यूजिक का फ्रीक्वेंसी इज सो मच इम्पैक्टिंग। वो फ्रीक्वेंसी हमें इम्पैक्ट करता है और उसके साथ वो जो लिरिक्स है वो सब हमारे दिमाग में स्टोर होते हैं और दैट इज हाउ वी क्रिएट आवर लाइफ देन। तो ये बहुत
Oh,
इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है कि आप क्या म्यूजिक सुन रहे हो, आप क्या लिरिक्स, आप क्या फीड कर रहे हो ना, दैट इज वेरी
हम्म.
इम्पोर्टेंट। तो ये पॉइंट मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा और ये हाईलाइट करने वाला भी था। सो थैंक
अच्छा.
यू।
Thank you for highlighting that, Pragya. तो मतलब, in a sense, everything that we consume, we have to be mindful of that,
Of
because that will
course.
eventually impact our lives. And consumption में सिर्फ मुंह से खाने की चीजें नहीं होती, क्या
हाँ.
पढ़ रहे हो, क्या सुन रहे हो, क्या देख रहे हो टीवी पे, फोन पे, right?
I think that is where it is so important, which we don't, and we just think, you know, so what? इसमें क्या है, you know. So I'm not saying that don't listen to things if you like the songs you're listening, but be mindful of what you're listening. You know, you're not letting that impact you and everything. And sometimes we just, again, as I said, we keep on repeating those things again and again and again. And then you think, oh, no, you know, I'm what I've said. And sometimes when things happen in life, then we think, मैंने ऐसा तो नहीं मांगा था, ऐसा तो मैंने नहीं सोचा था, but you don't know. If we believe in the higher power, in God and everything, but that's what it says, that you get what you ask for, because He's
Yeah.
always giving. You know,
Hmm.
he doesn't punish. You know, we've been taught these things wrong, that He punishes. He never punishes anyone. It's
Also,
what
he doesn't discriminate, so
He doesn't discriminate. Yes.
wouldn't be able to tell, like, for the universe wouldn't be able to tell अगर ये आपके फायदे का है नहीं, अगर आप उस इन फ्रीक्वेंसी में हो और उस चीज की रट लगाए हो तो आपको पक्का मिलेगी.
Huh. Because you're vibrating at those, you know, sometimes you ask for something and it just happens like that, and sometimes you keep on asking, it doesn't. Because wherever you, then that I think would can be another discussion as well, where you're
Yeah.
vibrating, your frequency and everything. It's matters the most. But yeah,
Yeah.
the easiest way is just to be careful of what you're speaking all the time, especially with you know, like with little children. Just ये तो बुद्धू है, you know, ये हमेशा ऐसे ही करता है. You keep on telling your child again and again कि, you know, he's stupid, he's stupid, he's stupid, and you know, he's just picked that word stupid in his mind for all the time.
Right.
And imagine how you have made his, you know, his like
Like molded
base.
him.
He's molded it into that. He's picked that word, that I'm stupid.
Hmm.
So use the right words for your children. I would say the most
Especially.
important, especially because
Hmm.
the younger generation is the future, you know, of our country. So you have to think कि क्या उनको हम feed कर रहे हैं, क्या बोल रहे हैं, क्या
Hmm.
चीजें उनके सामने, you know, रख रहे हैं, and they are going to pick up what you're saying. Totally, they're going to pick up exactly as you keep on complaining. You sit in the car and you are complaining, they're going to pick that up. कि ऐसे ही
Hmm.
बोलते हैं, ऐसी गालियां निकालते हैं या complain करते हैं,
Hmm.
whatever. They will just try that. You know, I will just say कि you know, if you have little children, try doing that, and you will see the difference in your children.
Yeah,
Come
that
out
is
of the
great
victim
said.
mode and be in creator mode.
Yes. Kalpana has shared in the chat, victim mode is on when you forget yourself and are too much dependent on others or on commodities. Yeah, obviously,
Yeah,
because you
so
are,
true.
you've given up the responsibility, your own responsibility, you've let go of that, and
Yeah.
you are like
And just
happy
one more
blaming everyone.
thing, Preeti and Praneet, what a lovely session it was. And I think one more of the reason is, we've forgotten to celebrate our small wins. We're always looking for a very larger perspective, no? कि जब ये होगा तब मैं celebration करूंगा. तो कहीं ना कहीं हम
Hmm.
इसलिए भी victim mode में बहुत ज्यादा है.
हाँ.
So
Right.
that is I mean, apart from the fabulous points you've put, I think that's also one of the reason, because आज इतना hush rush में we all are
Hmm.
there ना, हम भूल ही गए हैं
Hmm.
कि हमें present के भी wins को enjoy करना है.
True.
Yeah,
But we have completely forgotten. I guess that's the
beautiful.
case. But
हाँ.
Yeah, thank you for bringing that up, Kalpana. That's a nice point that you shared.
welcome. But great session. We enjoyed it much.
Thank
Great talk.
you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so much, Kalpana and Pragya, for joining. Thank you so much, Parneet, for joining. It was lovely talking with you and amazing insights on this amazing topic. See you again next week with another one of my guests on another wonderful topic. Till then, take care. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you, everyone.